In this video, we'll be using InstaWP, an innovative platform designed to make launching WordPress websites a breeze. With InstaWP, you can create a fully functional WordPress site in minutes, without the need for complex setups or installations. We'll walk through the process step by step, from setting up your account to customizing your site and making it live. By the end of this video, you'll have your WordPress website up and running in just 15 minutes. How to make a WordPress website live in 15 minutes. Now, go to InstaWP and click Get Started. You will land on the Sign Up page. If you have an existing ID, you can log in, or you can sign up with a new account. After logging in or signing up, it will take you to the dashboard. Then, click Create your first staging site. A pop-up appears, click Next Step. Then, click the Page Builders option in the side menu and select the page builder you want. Here, I choose Elementor and click Create Site. After that, an option comes where you need to click Magic Login. It will take you to Elementor. Then, press the Create My Account button. Skip the Hello Theme step. You can also skip the third step and move on to the next step. Click the second option and proceed further. When the pop-up comes, click Skip. Now, it will lead you to the page editor where you need to choose the post icon above. Then, click the plus icon, choose the first flex box, and click down. Click the plus icon in the top corner, then drag and drop the container. On the container, click the option and duplicate it. From the side menu, click Direction and select Right. Again, click Add Element and add an image element. Drag and drop the image. Then, add a container from the Widgets option. Next, search for social icons and place them in the container. You can also reduce the size accordingly using the Width option. To add text in the Hero section, click Add Element and drag and drop the text element for the heading. Then, from the widgets, drag and drop the text editor for the sentence. Click on the image container and choose the image you want to place from the gallery. Click Select File, and after choosing the image, click Select. To change your background color, go to Style and click Background Overlay. Then, click Color and choose the background color you want. Now, adjust the size of the image as you want. From the Advanced option, go to Padding and set the size you want. To change the social icon color, click the Edit button. Remove the original color by clicking the Custom option and choose the color you want. Click on the Icon option to change the size of the icons. Then, change the content as desired by clicking on the text and editing it. To create a second section, follow the same process as before. Add a text element and change it to an H3 tag. Then, add the desired content for the text. For the third section, add a flexbox, then add a container. Duplicate the container and align it to the right. To add an image and text, follow the same steps as we did previously. Afterward, to place a button, click Add Element and choose Button. Drag and drop it into position. To change the button content, click on the button and type the text you want into the text field. Then from the style you can change the button color, size, and border as you want. For the fourth section, you can follow the same process, but to differentiate it, place the image container on the right side and the text container on the left side. After creating the site, click the Publish button at the top to publish the site. If you want to preview the site, click the drop-down menu and select View Page. Once everything is done, click the option above and go to Settings, then General. You can change the site name. For now, I am keeping it as Demo. Click Save Changes. Now, click Demo above, and you can see the live site. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.